Good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here live in the Weather Center. Hope everyone is having a fantastic Saturday. It's a very warm afternoon for all the ArkLaTex. Seeing temperatures here in the Shreveport and also in Texarkana at 87 degrees with a light north-northwest wind. Looking at 80s elsewhere, 85 degrees into our center, 89 degrees down towards Natchitoches, and seeing 85 degrees into Magnolia. Radar is showing a whole lot of nothing. All the rain we saw yesterday and the day before that is now off towards the east with the airflow pressure. But there's a cold front off towards the north and west into the Midwest. That will make its way into here for your Monday, and behind that cold front or cool front for this time of year, we're seeing some lower humidity, which would be a welcome relief for everyone beginning next week. But for tonight, those temperatures falling back down to the upper 60s, lower 70s. So we'll see a temperature around 70 degrees here in the Shreveport. Upper 60s are expected. In Texarkana, we'll see a temperature around 68 degrees down towards Manny and Natchitoches. So Robin to a futurecast shows skies beginning to decrease tonight. Look at mostly skies for tomorrow afternoon. It's looking pretty hot as well, with temperatures again back up into the lower to middle 90s. But as we see that cool front work its way into the area for your Monday, an isolated shower or thunderstorm is possible for Monday, although some models are showing that we may not see some rain. Other models are suggesting that we could see a few showers, so I did go with a 10% chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm because of that front working its way into the area for your Monday. And then everything should move out of the area by Monday afternoon, again with temperatures for your Monday afternoon into the lower to middle 80s. So again, we'll see the ridge of high pressure keeping us high for today, also keeping us dry for tomorrow. As a result of the ridge of high pressure over our area, we'll see hot temperatures, although not expecting any really hot temperatures. The real extreme heat from this ridge of high pressure will stay further towards the south and west down into southern and even the western parts into Texas. But again, as we get into next week, we'll see the northerly flow over the area, so we'll see a trough of low pressure built throughout the eastern half of the United States, which is going to lead to A, lower humidity, and B, no rain expected for the next 7 days. And also as a result of the northerly flow, we'll see highs into the lower to middle 80s for most of next week, and we'll see lows dropping back down to the lower to middle 60s. So again, a nice refresher as we get into the next couple of days, feeling very nice out there before we see humidity. Temperatures on the rise by the latter part of the work week by next Friday into next weekend, with temperatures then warming back into the 90s and seeing lows warming back into the 70s by next weekend. So again, looking pretty good for the next 7 days, which is good news for all of us. And lower humidity is something that all of us should be excited about as well. So for tonight, we'll see a low around 70 degrees, looking at partly cloudy skies, mild and very humid. And for tomorrow, we'll see those temperatures back into the lower 90s, looking at plenty of sunshine and very warm with a light north wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. In the next 7 days shows temperatures into the 80s and 90s. So we'll see the cool front on the day on Monday, dropping temperatures into the lower to middle 80s for your Tuesday and Wednesday, seeing lows into the lower 60s by Wednesday morning, also for your Thursday morning. And again, we'll see moisture on the increase by the weekend, with temperatures warming back up into the 90s by next Saturday, with lows warming back into the 70s by then. So next 7 days looks pretty good, despite possibly seeing a shower or two for your Monday. Otherwise, looking pretty good for the next 7 days.